Today I'm going to be reviewing Vital Bull from Lonvera. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So what is it? It is grass-fed liver, testicle, prostate, and bone marrow freeze-dried beef organ capsules. This is actually what they look like here. You see it, not very big. Now, I just took one. Obviously, I'm not going to get all the effects right away quickly. It's a 30-day supply. So what exactly does Vital Bull do? It's going to support natural testosterone, fuels all-day performance, restores strength and vitality. The other thing, there's no hormones. It's organic, so nothing added in there other than the natural ingredients. It's also made from 100% grass-fed beef organs. So they also have a really nice offer. You try this for 60 days and you don't notice any energy or increase in performance or drive, they will give you your money back, no questions asked. That's really good. Not many people can do this. This gets 4.3 stars. And last month, this is unbelievable, 3,000 plus of these sold. So people are buying them and liking them and giving it a try. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.